Hello viewers, I am Nisha Bharadwaj and welcome to my channel James Study Center, and today's lesson is about large numbers, the Indian system of numerication as well as the international numbering system. We will compare both the systems of numerication, how do we write it, express it and count it, and at which names we know them. We will see how many digits they have and how do we write it as the power of 10. And at last we will study that where do we put commas in numbers according to both the Indian as well as international system of numerication. So let's start with the numbers. We will start with the digits, with the smallest number. We will start with the numerication system by taking the smallest number of all the digits. So let's start with the smallest one-digit number. Smallest one-digit number is 1. We write in figures as this, and it is represented as 10 to the power 10, 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 means 1. According to Indian numbering system, we write it ONE1, ONE1. And according to international system also, this is ONE1. Now the two-digit smallest number is 1 and 0. In figures we write it 1 and 0, and it is represented as 10 to the power 1. This is called TEN10. According to international also TEN10. Now the third digit 3. This is 100. And again 10 to the power 2, HUNDRED 100, HUNDRED 100. According to international and Indian numbering system, both 100 is 100. Now the fourth digit is 1000, 1 and 000. 1 000 is 10 to the power 3. According to if it is represented as power of 10, we will write as 10 to the power 3, and this becomes 1000, THOUSAND 1000. And according to international numbering system also, this is 1000, THOUSAND 1000. Now the 5 digit, likewise 1 and 4 zeros, 10 to the power 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4. This is 10,000 according to Indian numbering system and international as well. Now the 6 digit smallest number is 1 and 5 zeros. This is represented as 10 to the power 5, and it becomes, according to Indian numbering system, it becomes 1 lakh, and according to international numbering system it becomes 100,000. So here is the difference. 1 lakh and 100,000 is represents the same number. 1 lakh is 100,000. So the value will be same. Now the 7 digit smallest number is 1 and 6 zeros, 10 to the power 6. This is called 10 lakhs, and according to international numbering system, 1 million. Now the 8 digit smallest number is 1 and 7 zeros, 10 to the power 7. It becomes 1 crore, and according to international numbering system, it becomes 10 million. Now the 9 digit is 1 and 8 zeros, and this is called 10 crore, 10 to the power 8, 10 crore, and it becomes, according to international numbering system, it is called as 100 million. Now the 10 digit is 1 and 9 zeros. This is represented as 10 to the power 9 as the power of 10, 10 to the power 9. It becomes 1 Arab, 1 Arab. 1 Arab is 1 billion. According to international numbering system, the value will be same. 1 Arab equal to 1 billion. Now the 11 digit smallest number is 1 and 10 zeros. 10 to the power 10, and we call it, according to Indian numbering system, we call it 10 Arab, and international numbering system 10 billion, 10 billion, 10 billion. Now the 12 digit smallest number 1 and 11 zeros, 1 and 11 zeros, 10 to the power 11. This is called 1 Kharab. According to Indian numbering system, 1 Kharab, and then according to international numbering system, we call it 100 billion, 100 billion. So till now we have seen that what are the smallest number of different digits, how it is represented as power of 10, and what are its number names according to Indian and international numbering system. And now we see that how do we read a number. So for that, let's take a number 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 4, 6. Okay, we have taken this number. How do we read it according to Indian and international numbering systems? So let's see first Indian numbering system. Where do we put commas? Here, ones, tens, 100. This is 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. So we put commas after 100 and then after 100 and put commas repeatedly after two intervals. After 2 intervals here and after 2 intervals here. Once, tens, 100, then 2 intervals 1 and 2, put comma here, 1 and 2, put comma here. Why we are doing this? Because after 100 the number name changes after two intervals. Just see this. According to Indian numbering system, after 100 it becomes 2 times 1,000, 1,000 and 10,000. After 1,000 it becomes lakh, 1 lakh and 10 lakh, 2 interval, then crore, 2 interval, then Arab, 2 interval, and then it becomes Kharab. That's why after 100 we are putting commas after two intervals. Now this number, this is the thousands unit, this is the lakhs unit, and this is the crores unit. Ones, tens, 100, this is the thousands unit, this is 78,000. This is the lakhs unit, this is 45 lakhs, and this is crores unit. This is called we take it as 23 as a unit, and this is called 23 crores. How do we write it? 23 crores 45 lakhs 78,946. 23 crores 45 lakhs 78,946. 23 crore 45 lakhs 78,946. So it becomes so easy. Now while for international system of numerication, after 100 we put commas after three intervals. Just take the same number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 4, 6. So ones, tens, 100, and 1, 2, 3 number, and 1, 2, 3. So why we are doing for international system, we put commas repeatedly after three intervals. Why we are putting commas after 3 intervals? Because according to international numbering system, after 100, just see this, after 3 intervals the number name changes. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000 3 times, then million 3 times, and then billion 3 times. So 3 times. So we have, what we are doing it, we are making this a unit. We are separating it by a comma and making a whole unit. So ones, tens, 100, and this is the 1,000 part. We take the whole 578 as a unit, 500, and it becomes 578,000, and it becomes another unit, and this is called this is the million part, and as a unit this will be called 234 million. 234 million. So 234,578,946. 234,578,946. So you have seen that how easy it is. Go through more numbers and ask me if you find any difficulty. That's all for now. Keep watching James Study Center channel. Bye bye.